In this chapter, we'll talk about how much you can afford to pay for a house. We'll review the 4 C's of credit: capital, capacity, credit history, and collateral. We will also talk about how you can get your credit report and credit score. Then, we'll talk about how much you can afford to pay for a home. At the end of the chapter, you'll take a brief quiz. The 4 C's of credit are fairly simple. For lenders to decide how much money to lend you, they look at 4 basic things. Capital is how much money you have to make the down payment, pay closing costs, and establish a reserve, savings account, to pay for unexpected expenses. It's basically how much money you have to invest in owning your home. Capacity is your ability to make the monthly loan payment and pay your other debts. And it's how much money you earn, or you and your co-borrower earn if someone else is buying the house with you. Your income, minus your expenses and other debts, help the lender decide how much you can afford to borrow. Credit is simply whether you've paid your bills on time in the past. You can get this information from a credit report, which we'll discuss in a moment. Collateral is the house you're buying. Remember the definition of mortgage? You're giving the lender a lien or claim on your house. The house is called collateral, or security for the loan. Early in the home buying process, your housing counselor will help you get a copy of your credit report, or you can get your own credit report. Please read the information on the next page, which explains how to write the credit bureaus and request a copy of your report. Or you can get a copy of your credit report online. There are 3 national credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can ask for a free credit report from each company once every 12 months. The free report won't include your credit score, but will have information about your history of borrowing and repaying money on time. If you want to get your credit score, you'll have to pay a small fee. Take a moment to read the information to the right. Now that we've covered the 4 C's of credit: capital, capacity, credit history, and collateral, and talked about how to obtain your credit report, read about the process on the next page. Just click the next button, then you will take a chapter quiz.